Hi friends, this is your ANR sir, welcoming you to ANR Academy. Today I have come up with a new lesson on usage grammar. How to fill the connectors of reason. How to fill the connectors of reason. So here is your first sentence. We stayed inside dash the storm. In the bracket, because and because of is given. Always remember, because connects to clauses. Because connects to clauses. Whereas because of joins to phrases, maybe one clause and one phrase. Understood? Once again I am saying, because joins two clauses, whereas because of joins a clause and a phrase. So how to identify or how to differentiate between a phrase and a clause? Clause has a finite verb, whereas phrase doesn't. So here you see, we stayed inside. This is a clause. How did you identify? Because you have a finite verb stayed, V2. The storm, it is a phrase, not a clause, because you do not have any finite verb. So, out of because and because of, you have to fill with because of. The reason is, here you are joining a phrase and a clause. Understood? So now let us go to the second sentence. I wanted to stay longer, dash. I was really enjoying the party. So here, I wanted to stay longer. This is a clause. And next, I was really enjoying the party, another clause. So we use since to join two clauses. Because of only one clause and one phrase. One clause and one phrase. Clear? So here you have to fill since. Because we use since to join two clauses. And there you have two clauses. I wanted to stay longer. One clause. I was really enjoying the party. Another clause. Clear? So let us go to third sentence. Susie stayed at home, dash her illness. Susie stayed at home, it is a clause because you have a finite verb stayed. Next, her illness is a phrase. The reason is you do not have any finite verb. So, as and due to. So you have to take due to. Due to joins a clause and a phrase. Due to joins a clause and a phrase. So let us go to another sentence. Her lateness was dash a terrible traffic jam. Her lateness was. This is one clause. Because you have a finite verb was. A terrific traffic jam is a phrase. It is a phrase. So to join a clause and a phrase, you use due to. To join a clause and a phrase, you use due to. Next. Flights are cheaper in the winter. This is one clause. We decide to travel by them. Another clause. So you should use since but not owing to. Owing to we use to join one clause and one phrase. Because here you have since, both should be phrases. So since, here you have both what clauses, so since. Next example. Soumya hated cats. One clause. She wasn't happy when her husband bought 3. Another clause. So you use as but not because of. You should take as but not because of. Because of joins a clause and a phrase. Next sentence. Sidhu didn't go to work. One clause. His illness, phrase. So clause and phrase you take owing to. Owing to joins a clause and a phrase. Next sentence. Raja was very tired. One clause. He went to bed early. Another clause. We use because but not due to. Due to we use to add a clause and a phrase. A clause and a phrase. In the same way we use because to join two clauses. We use because to join two clauses. Clear? Shall we go to another sentence? Krish was very happy. One clause. He unhappy. Next he failed in his exam. Another clause. So we use for to join two clauses. We use owing to join a clause and a phrase. So shall we go for another? The terrible weather, we decided not to walk home. We decided not to walk home, it is a clause. The terrible weather is a phrase. So due to terrible weather, we decided to walk home. Clear? So next sentence. I was very happy with my present, that means present time. Dash, this is a clause. It was exactly what I wanted in the clause. So when we join two clauses, we do not use owing to, we use as. When we join two clauses, we use as but not owing to. Owing to one clause and one phrase. Next. Saujanya ordered her meal without meat. Saujanya ordered her meal without meat. This is a clause because you have a finite verb ordered. She is a vegetarian. This is also a clause because you have a finite verb is. Due to we do not use because due to we use to join one clause and one phrase. As we use as. We use as to join two clauses. Next. I didn't want to leave. This is your phrase because you have did. Finite verb. I was having a great time. Another clause because you have was. Finite verb. So because of we do not use. Because of we use to join one clause and one phrase. We use as. We use as to join two clauses. Prakash bought the shoes. They were perfect. Prakash bought the shoes. This is a clause because you have V2 form of the verb bought. They were perfect. This is also a clause because you have V2 form of the verb. So we do not use owing to because we use owing to join a clause and a phrase. We use as. We use as to join two clauses. And next sentence. We were late for the plane. This is a clause because you have V2 form of the verb were. The traffic. You do not have any finite verb. This is a phrase. So we do not use because. We use because to join two clauses. We use because of. We use because of to join a clause and a phrase. I think your doubts are clear. When to use as, because, since, and when to use because of, due to, owing to. I think you are very clear. So again, tomorrow I come up with a new lesson. Till then, have a nice time. Thank you for watching. If you really enjoy my teaching and my lessons, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, General English All for Competitive Examinations. Thank you. Have a nice day.